Good morning, student. In our last topic, we have studied about Special Olympic, Modern Olympic, and International Olympic Committee. Today, we will study about Indian Olympic Association. Indian Olympic Association is formed in 1927, and Sir Dorabji Tata is its first president. DG Noriam is the secretary and GD Sodhi is the assistant secretary of the Indian Olympic Association. The headquarters of Indian Olympic Association is at New Delhi, and Indian Olympic Association is the apex highest sport organizations of Olympic sports in the country. In the national level, it is the highest sports organization of the Olympic sports and the national levels. Function of International Olympic Association. The first function of International Olympic Association is to develop and promote the Olympic movement and amateur sports. Indian Olympic Associations helps in developing and promoting the Olympic movement and amateur sports to promote and encourage the physical, morals, and cultural value among the youth for the development of good health and good citizens. It's help in the development, physical, moral, and cultural development of the youth, youth for the development of their good health and and it also helps to make them a good citizen. The the Indian Olympic Association enforce all the rules and regulation of the game and sport at national level competition. Mainly, the International Olympic Committee make all the rules and regulation for the Olympic game, and Indian Olympic Association enforce all the rules and regulation made by International Olympic Committee at the national level competition. जो भी rules and regulations IOC बनाती है उस rules को उस रूल्स को नेशनल लेवल कंपटीशन में लागू कराना काम ये इंडियन ओलंपिक एसोसिएशन करती है. To provide training and preparing a player for participating at national levels, the International Olympic Associations give training and prepare a players for prepare and make prepare them so that they represent the nation at the international levels. They give them good training good training, and they represent the nation at the international competition like Olympic game, Asian game, Commonwealth game, South Asian game, World Championship, and other international game. To assist National Sports Association or Federation for better selections of players and their training. The Indian Olympic Association helps the National Sports Association and or National Sports Federation for the better selections of the players, and also helps to give training to the player. To provide technical help for conducting national level competition, the International Olympic Committee provide all the technical helps to the all the technical help for conducting the national level competitions. To observe and check the smooth working of national sports association and federation, the Indian Olympic एसोसिएशन देखती है कि ये नेशनल स्पोर्ट्स एसोसिएशंस और द फेडरेशन अपना काम अच्छे से कर रही है या नहीं. दिस टू प्रोवाइड ऑफिशियल स्पॉन्सरशिप to player for participating at national level competition. It also provide sponsorship, means it also give money to the players so that they can participate at international level competition. To supervise the sports development in the country, like stadium infrastructures development, etc. Uh, this International Olympic Committee helps in the development of sports at the national levels. They see, they look that the sports is developed in our country or not, like development of stadium infrastructures. All these are developing. These all are supervised. Random random check of athletes related to drug, etc. as per direction of IOC. The IOC, Indian Olympic Association, also do checking of the athletes, do checking of the athletes that the athletes are taking drugs or not. To arrange the fund for sports program for training of player, infrastructures development and sponsorship of players. It also provide International Olympic Committee, Indian Olympic Association also arrange fund, provide fund for giving training to the players, um, making infrastructures, and also to sponsor the players. To promote Olympic game at every levels in India, the Indian Olympic Association also helps to promote the Olympic game at national levels at India. It's promote the Olympic game in India. Our next topic: physical fitness, wellness, and lifestyle. Physical fitness. The meaning of physical fitness is different for different peoples. The meaning of physical fitness for a common peoples, they think that if a person is healthy and not overweight, then he is healthy. And for doctor, if the uh, physiological system means internal system is functioning well, then he is well. And in physical education, physical fitness is the capacity of an individual to do work effectively with joy and pleasures. After the work is over, he still has sufficient capacity to do the work without any exertions. Moreover, his recovery is faster and quicker. मीन्स फिजिकल फिटनेस मीन्स किसी भी इंडिविजुअल की कैपेसिटी है कि वो अपने वर्क को इफ़ेक्टिवली अच्छे से विद जॉय एंड प्लेजर के साथ करे, एंड उस वर्क को कंप्लीट करने के बाद भी उसके पास सफिशिएंट कैपेसिटी है कि वो और काम कर सके बिना एफर्ट के, एंड हिज रिकवरी, उसकी रिकवरी भी फास्ट है एंड क्विकर है. Definition of physical education. According to Webster's Encyclopedia, it is the ability of a person to do daily routine work without fatigue. Moreover, to participate in playful activity and still reserve enough capacity to meet any emergency. Means, according to him, a person is physically fit if a person if a person has the ability to do the daily routine work, अपने डेली रूटीन वर्क को बिना थकावट के अच्छे से करे, एंड उस वर्क को कंप्लीट करने के बाद 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 अपन टू पार्टिसिपेट इन प्लेफुल एक्टिविटी और वर्क में पार्टिसिपेट करे, और उसके पास इतनी एनर्जी रिजर्व है कि वो अगर कोई भी इमरजेंसी आए तो उसको हैंडल कर सके. मीनिंग ऑफ वेलनेस. Wellness is the vast term related with good health, balance of mind and body, and spirit of overall feeling of well-being. It gives us the motive to live most and serve the best, thus give us healthy and happy life. In simple, in simple meaning, wellness means the state of being healthy and free from disease, मीन्स अगर कोई भी पर्सन healthy है and and free from disease, then we will say he is well. For a wellness, a person should be physically, mentally, socially, intellectually, emotionally, spiritually fit. Healthy lifestyle. Healthy lifestyle. Lifestyle means the way of living, the style of living, how the people live, what he do, his daily routine work from morning to the evening, the way he live. According to World Health Organization, health is the state of complete physical, mental, social well-being. Well-being of an individual, not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. Means, according to World Health Organization, health means the complete physical, mental, social well-being. बस डिजीज डिजीज बस डिजीज का एब्सेंट नहीं होना ही हेल्थ नहीं है. इट इज़ अ कंप्लीट फिजिकल मेंटल सोशल well-being of the individual, not only the absence of disease. Lifestyle. Nowadays the lifestyles of human beings is become very poor, lazy lifestyle. Uh, they are living a lazy lifestyle. And today, modernizations has made the human life easy. Now, in modern time, the life of human is becoming easy because most of the work is performed by the machine. Therefore, they are becoming lazy, and which which cause many health problem uh, like obesity, cancer, asthma, diabetes, etc. due to not doing any physical workout. And nowadays our environment is also polluted, human life is stressful, they are taking poor diet, unhygienic habit, etc. Etc. This cause a health related problems. Good health is the base of the individual personality. The lifestyle change can improve the health of the individual, like to do a regular physical activity, eat nutritious food, avoid fried food and junk food, drink sufficient waters, maintain personal hygiene, maintain uh, good posture, take proper rest, sleep, manage stress, tension free, react oneself, stay happy, and know itocean, avoid pollution, medical care, etc. Healthy lifestyle means the way of living, how you live, what your daily routine work. And healthy lifestyle means living a healthy life, living a good health, following a good healthy lifestyles, doing doing physical exercise, avoiding a junk food, eating nutritional food, balanced diet, live in a hygienic, live in a environment pollution free environment, drinking more waters, taking proper rest, sleep, uh, stay healthy, free from drugs, etc., which lead to a healthy lifestyle. So, the meaning of physical fitness, wellness, and healthy lifestyle. Physical fitness means the ability. Physical fitness is the ability to do a daily routine work. अपने daily routine work को करना, and after doing his daily routine work, he has the capacity to do more work. और अपने daily routine को करने के बाद भी उसके पास इतनी एनर्जी है कि वो और काम कर सके. एंड हिज रिकवरी इज फास्टर if the person is physically fit. Wellness means having a good health and free from disease. Healthy lifestyle means following a healthy following a good healthy lifestyle. Lifestyle means the way of living. So healthy lifestyle means following a good lifestyle, good good lifestyles means uh, means doing the regular exercise, healthy eating, balanced diet, etc. This lead to a good health, good personality development of an individual. Importance of physical fitness, wellness, and healthy lifestyle. Total efficiency is improved. Means if a person is physically fit and well, then his efficiency is improved, and his fatigue his fatigue his fatigue is less. He does not feel tired, fatigue, etc. His efficiency is improved if the person is physically fit and well. Better quality of work. If a person is physically fit and well, then the quality of his work is better because his neuromuscular system will function well. There is proper coordination between nervous system and muscular system. Optimum growth and development. A physical fitness and well programs helps in optimum growth and development of the body. Better utilization of time. Physical fitness physical fitness program provide good atmosphere for growth and development. Thus time is utilized in a healthy way. If a person is physically fit and well, then he can utilize the time in a better way. Healthy environment. First, to remain in fit. First, if a person want to be healthy, well, he required to live in a healthy, clean, and safe environment. Therefore, to become a healthy, the persons clean the environment, clean the environment. Therefore, healthy physical fitness and wellness build healthy environment, prevent health hazard and health problem. If a person is physically fit and well, then his immunity system will be improved, which helps to avoid disease and illness, and his healing is faster and quicker if the person is physically fit and well, because it prevent from disease. His immune system will be improve physiological functioning. If a person is physically fit and well, then his physiological functioning will be good, means his internal organs will function well. If his internal organs function well, then he do his work effectively and efficiently without any disorders. His body will work efficiently and effectively without any disorders if the person is physically fit and well. Good looking physical fitness and wellness activity. If the person do physical activity, proper healthy proper balanced diet, good health, then his personality, body structures will be improved. His personality become attractive if the person is physically fit and well. Improvement in physical ability. Physical fitness and wellness activity directly improve the strength, speed, endurance, flexibility, and coordination ability to a great extent. Physical fitness. Physical fitness helps in the development of strength, speed, endurance, flexibility, and coordination ability of an individual. Ideal for hygienical habit. Physical fitness and wellness program help helps an individual to take an ideal balanced diet, and also guide to control weight and If the person do physical exercise, then his posture will be improved. If the persons perform a healthy lifestyle, his develop hygienical habit and know their importance. Development of social quality. Through physical activity, many social quality are developed like cooperation, adjustment, tolerance, patience, leadership, etc., which help to adjust in the society. Development of social quality through physical activity. If a person take part in physical activity, then their social quality are improved. Mm, their social quality are improved through the sports, through game, through physical activity. They learn to cooperate with each others, adjustment, to tolerate, patience, improve their leadership quality, etc., which helps to develop to develop the society, which helps to adjust in the society as well as to develop the nation. Experience experience of life stress. Physical activity helps to control and manage stress and also direct our emotion in a good way. If a person participate in physical activity, it helps to uh, to control uh, control and manage his stress, and also helps to control his emotion. Prevent premature aging. If a person live in a healthy, clean and safe environment, then it's help to prevent his premature aging. वो जल्दी उसकी एज जल्दी नहीं बढ़ेगी. Preparedness for emergency. A physically fit person perform his job efficiently and still has sufficient reserve of energy to meet emergency situation. Physical fit person. If the person is physically fit, then he can do his work efficiently. अपने job को अच्छे से करेगा, and after doing his job, he still has sufficient energy to meet the इमरजेंसी. और अपने काम को करने के बाद भी उसके पास इतनी एनर्जी बाकी है कि अगर कोई इमरजेंसी सिचुएशन आएगी तो उसको भी आराम से हैंडल कर सके. दिस इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ फिजिकल फिटनेस, वेलनेस एंड हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल. Components of physical fitness. Component of physical fitness. There are 5 physical fitness components. They are directly or indirectly interrelated with each others. These are strength, endurance, speed, flexibility, and coordination's ability. Strength means the ability. Strength means the ability of a muscle to overcome a resistance, or we can say it is the amount of force a muscle can exert against a resistance. Means strength means the power of a muscle to act against a resistance. Endurance means the ability of an individual to do an activity for a long period of time without any fatigue. Means it is the ability of person. किसी person की ability है किसी भी काम को लंबे समय तक करना बिना फैटिक के, बिना थकावट के. Speed means the ability to perform the movement as fast as possible, or it is the ability to move as fast as possible. Means किसी भी काम को कितना जल्दी कर सकता है कम से कम समय में, किसी भी काम को कम से कम समय में करना, इसको स्पीड. Flexibility is the ability of a joint to move in maximum range. Means अपने joint को कितने maximum range तक खोल सकता है. Ability of the muscle to move in maximum range. And coordinative ability or agility. Coordinative ability is the ability of the body to perform movement with perfection and efficiency. It is the ability of human body to change direction quickly and effectively. Means coordinative ability is the ability of the individual to do the to do a movement क्विकली एंड इफिशिएंटली, उस काम को जल्दी और इफिशिएंटली करे विदाउट गेटिंग अनबैलेंस. अपने अपने मूवमेंट को चेंज करना, अपने डायरेक्शन को चेंज करना इन अ शॉर्टेस्ट टाइम विदाउट गेटिंग अनबैलेंस. दिस इज नोन एज कोऑर्डिनेटिव एबिलिटी. Strength is an ability of a muscle to overcome resistance. Or strength can be defined as the amount of force a muscle can exert. Strength means ability of a muscle to overcome a resistance. It is the greatest force a muscle can exert against a resistance. It is a amount of power a muscle can exert against a resistance. And strength, there are two types of strength: static strength, dynamic strength. Static strength, also known as isometric strength. Iso means same, metric means same length. Static strength is the ability to act against resistance from a single or one position. एक पोजीशन से उस रेसिस्टेंस को ओवरकम करना. From a single position, one positions to overcome a resistance. For example, arm wrestling, powerlifting, or pushing a wall. Single position, he is in single position, and in single position, in one position, in same position, he is overcoming the resistance. For example, pushing a wall को push करना. Dynamic strength, also known as isotonic. Iso means same, tonic means tension. It is related to movement. In static strength, there is no movement. For example, pushing a wall, there is no movement. And in dynamic strength, there is movement. Dynamic strength, there is three type of dynamic strength: maximum strength, explosive strength, and strength endurance. Maximum strength is the ability to act against maximum resistance. It is the quality of muscle to contract forcefully. It is also known as power. Means maximum strength, maximum powers a muscle can exert against a resistance. कितना maximum power वो लगा सकता है to overcome a resistance. Forceful movement. For example, weightlifting में एक ही बार में कितना पावर वो यूज कर सकता है. और इन throwing event, maximum strength, using the maximum strength in throwing, shot put. Explosive strength means it is a combination of strength and speed. It is the ability to overcome resistance with high speed. Combination of strength plus speed. In simple word, it is the ability of the muscle to perform forceful movement at quickest possible time. किसी भी मूवमेंट को फोर्सफुली पावर के साथ एज वेल एट कितने फास्ट, कितने क्विक वो कर सकता है. पावर प्लस फोर्स, स्ट्रेंथ प्लस स्पीड. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन jumping activity, फॉर jumping activity वी रिक्वायर स्ट्रेंथ, ताकत भी की जरूरत है, प्लस speed, we require speed also in jumping event. This is explosive strength. We require in explosive strength combination of strength and speed. Ability to overcome a resistance with high speed. किसी भी resistance को overcome करना with high speed, कितना जल्दी, in a shortest possible time. एंड स्ट्रेंथ एंडोरेंस। स्ट्रेंथ एंडोरेंस जैसे कि नाम से है, स्ट्रेंथ प्लस एंडोरेंस, कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ two things, strength plus endurance. So it is the ability to overcome resistance under the condition of fatigue, means ओवरकम, उस रेसिस्टेंस को ओवरकम करना अंडर द कंडीशन ऑफ फैटिक। वो थका हुआ है फिर भी अपने अपने वर्क को ओवरकम करना फैटिक के कंडीशन में भी। फॉर एग्जाम्पल्स इन लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस रेस, स्विमिंग, रोड साइकिलिंग, माउंटेनिंग। इन स्विमिंग अ पर्सन रिक्वायर्ड स्ट्रेंथ प्लस endurance, for strength plus endurance, explosive strength in swimming. His strength and endurance, strength plus endurance। डिस्टेंस रनिंग्स में उसको स्ट्रेंथ की भी जरूरत पड़ेगी प्लस endurance की भी जरूरत पड़ेगी। वो थका हुआ, इज फैटिक, इन द कंडीशन ऑफ फैटिक, देन ऑल्सो ही हैज टू कंप्लीट हिज रेस। दिस इज स्ट्रेंथ। इन स्ट्रेंथ, ability to overcome a resistance, there are two type of strength, static strength and dynamic strength। Static strength means from a single position there is no movement. In dynamic strength there is a movement. And dynamic strength there are three types: maximum strength, explosive strength and strength endurance।